Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a square grid M12 incubator. First, find a stable, level spot for your incubator, keeping it away from direct sunlight or drafts. Make sure the transparent cover is sealed tightly to prevent any air leaks. Next, simply plug in the power cable, and you'll see the LED display light up. This model is quite versatile, accommodating up to 12 chicken eggs or 24 quail eggs, making it perfect for various hatching needs. Controlling temperature and humidity is crucial. Your incubator's factory setting is usually 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily adjust this using the control panel. For humidity, connect the automatic water bottle, filling it with distilled water. Aim for 50 to 55% humidity during most of the incubation, then raise it to 70% for the last 3 days. If your room is cool, below 20 degrees Celsius, use the foam packaging to help maintain warmth. When placing eggs, choose fresh fertilized ones, ideally 4 to 7 days old, and position them with the large end up. The incubator will automatically turn the eggs every 2 hours, mimicking a mother hen. However, for the last 3 days of hatching, you'll need to stop the turning function and remove the egg tray, placing the eggs directly on the hatching board. Remember to candle your eggs around day 5 and again around day 11 to monitor their development. Proper maintenance ensures longevity. Always unplug the incubator before cleaning. You can wipe the transparent cover with a damp cloth and dry it, while the base is safe to wash in a sink. Just be sure to keep all electrical parts completely dry. After each hatch, clean and air dry the unit to protect its electronic components. If you notice unstable temperatures, double-check the lid seal and ensure the incubator is in a stable environment, free from drafts or extreme changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.